Me see some JLP MP I make fuss over posters whoever tear down. No, you know they don't focus on the wrong thing though. Remember the poster scam in election. Poster scam put vote in a ballot box come election year. Why do tend to focus on the wrong thing at the wrong timing? Huh? That I fi know. Why on the small JLP MP find the time to focus on the wrong thing at the wrong time? The time when I take focus on poster tear down. Work on the numbers. Make sure you do no canvas. Make sure you do enough it too. Make sure you have no voters they ready for election. You not focus on poster. How when PMP fully put a posters that can't make the election. How when they walk and tear down poster that still can't make them win the election. So you no look upon them and then tear them and tear down the posters them. Cause that can't help them. Focus on no strategy you wanna use to win the election. And that one fi focus on. Campaign hard. Go hard or go home. Do what you're supposed to do. Make sure you know when the voters them there. Make sure you prepare for election day. Make sure you do the works on the ground. Make sure the people them are informed. Inform the people with the correct information. Make sure the people know what them fi know. Know the work you do. Public you work. Make sure you work on the constituency. That you fi do not focus on poster. That can help. That can help. Focus on the right thing. When you focus on and to focus on what will help you. And don't make PMP intimidate you and intimidate the voters. You no pay them no mind. If you might bring violence to you, avoid them at any cost. Avoid them totally. Don't look them weird. Just make sure you get out the people them for go vote on election day. Whenever Angel fly the gate, that is the most important thing to focus on. Get out the voters for the vote to go inside the box. So on the night of election, you win. Focus on what you don't poster. Nah, make you win nothing. And a poster win election, and who put up the most poster win election. That no win election. So I'll try, try PMP for intimidate with that can't stop if I want to vote. No, afraid of them. JLP MP focus on campaigning and make sure no say know where to find all the voters election day. So if you voters that waste, make sure you have transportation to go for them to come vote. Anywhere in Jamaica no voters there, ensure you prepare the transportation for them to vote. Prepare to get out the voters election you not come to talk about complain about what they don't poster. You not do. No, we do. The time when I take about posters, I know no constituencies for there, a campaign out backside. And make sure you do everything you're supposed to do for win. And winning, you don't focus on win. W-I-N. 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 You focus on for win. Win. You don't see it. So sometimes I have posters where the election and vote. And who can get out the voters the election day? We are from 5 until 5 or whatever time polling station close. We are from polling station up until it close to get out the voters them, to get the ballot in the box. And that don't focus on. You don't focus on what you're on posters. Just focus on the right thing, which is campaign. Know the voters, make sure no canvas up, make sure no numbers. And election day, make sure no workers them. Get out the voters then if you go vote. That's what focus on. Make sure no team is prepared to work. Make sure the machinery in the constituency is sharp and ready up, high up and ready up. That's what make sure. Know the workers them. Know when the voters them there. And make sure everything is up and running for election morning. That not be focus on. No focus on the wrong thing. Cause we not focus on it make no sense to me. We not focus on it make no sense. No focus on the wrong thing, man. Good God. Well, I suspect. I don't know. We want a peaceful election. So don't focus on PNP too no. With no violence. Don't focus on them. They're not important. They're not important. We can't liberate no fifth, no liberate no afraid of PMP again like one time. We're not afraid of PMP, we are going to vote. Cause all these things, what them a do? They want to intimidate, we feel free and go to vote. But we are going to vote. Voting back on Joe. That we are going to do. So I'm not try, we don't look at political intimidation. We are not falling for that. We're going out in our numbers to vote. So JLP MP, focus on that. Get out your voters. Every Christian corner. Everywhere. Young, old, middle age. Get them out. Make them go to the polling station early and cast them vote and ensure back on the seat. Upper garden house. And top come complain about post that I take down. Because when PMP full of the country appear orange posted and orange cloth. That now in the election. And no intimidation now in the election. All they try, them a try. For intimidate, we have make us feel afraid. That's still not in the election. Because we're not afraid of uno. Because we don't know why we don't walk a tear down poster for like say, uno tear down poster and we go win shit. We don't win nothing. Now you don't realize so a certain place posters put you know. Certain place posters put up. Yeah, certain place. I'm sure so you now going to uptown community and see no JLP posters and no PNP posters. Or in a certain scheme where middle class people live. We not go put up no poster. And only like we hear that common man on the street take up this poster thing pan them head like my idiot. No sense. Only look a common man pan the streets when no sense. Pick up this poster thing pan the head and let them poster like say after election we not get to it. What a benefit to know after this election done. After election done, you know, everything come back to normal, you know. Everything gone back to normal. Everybody gone back to the normal life. Everything gone back. No more campaigning. No more posters being putting up. No more intimidation. Everything gone back to normal. We're back to regular program. So all this poster war, I don't know what the poster war for. Because in the idea when liberal win, that is it. We come back to regular program because people now nothing. So all my JLP MP, don't look on them when they turn on poster. That can't help them. You don't focus on that. That's not important. Focus on getting the vote in the box on election day. That is all matter. And that is the most important thing to do. Focusing the vote in the box. The vote in the ballot box is the most important thing on election day. So when EOJ count the vote election night, you win back your seat. That's the most focus on. And look at the PMP and then post them with material. Them lucky. That can't help them.